have two questions. Number one, if you get poo on your arm, how are you going to clean it? I'm hoping that every single person is saying warm water and soap. If you are saying something different, I don't know why, but warm water and soap. This leads me to my second question. So if you are going toilet, why are you not washing your bum? Why is that still a thing? Why are people not washing their bum? That's a bit gross. Think about it. You are just wiping, just dry. You need to clean it, to wash it. Please, this is why there's so many of you out there itching your bums all the time. Because it's dirty, because you're not cleaning it. Please, clean your bums. Going into 2024 and you still got to tell people that you need to be cleaning your bum properly after you go toilet. But no, I'm supposed to believe that we're a progressive species. Okay then.